Hey there folks, so I noticed that for some reason I've never once made a video talking specifically about the extrude feature in Fusion, which is odd because I use it often, but here we are. So the hotkey is E, unless you've changed it to something else obviously, and the button's up here, just in case, whatever. So if I just hit E and select our little rectangle here, you can go up, you can go down. If you go down, sometimes it'll cut into something, and I'll show you that in a second. But if you go up, you have this little rectangle. So let's just go up here, and then we'll create another little square on top, and finish. And we'll select the entire thing, because why not? And if we hit extrude again, and we hit cut, there you go. So it cuts into the shape. Now you can have it cut, you can have it join, you can have it intersect, you can have it create a new body, or you can have it create a new component, but we're just gonna have it cut, and there we go. So what about these other options up here? So a thin extrude, if we just go down, just cuts out a little bit differently. So it goes like only around the edge, so that you're left with two separate bodies here, I believe. Yeah, no, one body, which you can separate them later, but you're left with this outline around the shape. So it's pretty useful for like quite a few things I could think of, if to stop you from like single-handedly like tracing around an entire object. You just take a thin extrude and go down. But yeah, that's how you use the extrude button, or the extrude feature in Fusion.